Creating a custom name keychain in the Hoop Designer software is very easy. The first thing you want to do is create your text. Along the top menu bar, click the T and click in the workspace. This opens up the text window in the upper right. You can choose one of the built-in fonts, or you could choose a TrueType font. These are fonts that are built into your computer or ones that you may have purchased, downloaded, and installed. I'm going to use a built-in, and I'm going to choose this Diana VS. I'm going to type in the name I want and hit apply. It puts the name on the screen. At this point, I do want to see what size it is because I don't want my keychain to be too big or too small. So in the upper right, I'm going to click on transform to see how large it is. Right now it's about a little over 2 inches wide and not even an inch high. So I'm going to take the width and bump that up to 3 3/4 and hit apply. So now that I have my text, the next thing I need is to put an outline around it. So with it selected, and grab the select tool in the upper left, right click, go down to utility, create outline. This opens up the create outline window. The outline that we're going to be creating is going to be what is going to stitch our two pieces of either marine vinyl, cork, or whatever we're using for our keychain together. I'm going to bump this up to, let's try 0.16. Where it says joins, you have the choice of the outline being more of a bevel, a round, or a miter. I'm going to choose round, and you can click preview to see how it looks. If you like how it looks, and I do like how this looks, click OK. And that put an outline around it. This is just artwork, a drawing, if you will, at this time. Now we need a tab, and the tab is the part that the snap will go into. Go up to Shapes along the top menu bar, drop down to Shapes, and within the shapes, I have added a bunch of different styles of tabs for keychains. I plan on using 3/4 inch hardware, so I'm going to choose one of the 3/4 inch tabs, and you can tell that it's a 3/4 inch by looking at the last two numbers in the name, 7.5. That refers to 3/4 of an inch. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose this one, click OK, puts it on the screen. I am going to rotate it. And now just move the tab where you want. But know that the end of the tab needs to go completely inside of the outline around the name. So as you can see over here, it is inside of this outline. Select both of them. Come up to the top menu bar and click Weld, and you can see that it put them together right here. Now again, this is just artwork, so we have to turn this into stitches. Select it, right click, convert to a run. It opens up the run window in the upper right. Right now it is set for a standard stitch, that's a single run. You can choose 2-ply, which will go around twice, a bean stitch, or a motif stitch. Motif stitches are a bunch of decorative stitches. You can choose any one of those that you want. I am going to make it be a bean stitch and hit apply. And this is how easy it is to create a keychain. The last thing that I would do is select it all, rotate it to the orientation of my hoop. This will be stitched in a 5x7 hoop.